I'm Sonia Gibson and I'm the Director of Accounting Hart Chartered Accountants. And I'm going to share with you the first of my 5 savvy tips to cut your accounting fees. Now, I guarantee you'll not only reduce your accounting fees, but you're going to improve your relationship with your accountant along the way, because they're just going to love to do your work. So my first tip is to make sure the information you give to them is complete. That way you can be sure that your job's going to be done efficiently, because they're not going to be spending unnecessary time going back to you asking for more information, and then more time again when they get that information working out where they're up to with your job. Now, the kinds of things that I find myself most frequently asking my clients for are things like purchase and sale details of share trades and investment properties. And then following on from that, I find myself asking a lot for finance contracts, particularly in relation to motor vehicles. And while on the subject of motor vehicles, I find myself asking a lot for what the private use percentage is on those cars that are also used for business or work-related purposes. And then other things that are used for both have got that split use. So things like the private use and the business use on mobile phone plans as well as internet plans. And finally, probably the thing I find myself asking for most, interest on rental properties, and other expenses that aren't included on those annual statements that are given to you from your agent. So what do you do if you find yourself in the situation where you haven't given your accountant all the information, they've asked you for some more details? Well, in that case, I find the best thing to do is to get back to them quickly. That way your job's still fresh in their mind when they sit down to finish it off, and you can be sure that it's still going to be done efficiently and cost effectively.